Hello everyone, this is Lingam. Today we will discuss about what is software engineering and types of software engineering, what software engineers will do and benefits of software engineering. Before getting to topic, we should realize one thing, we should not wait for the opportunities. Opportunities don't happen always. You should create them by yourself. If you want to succeed, you should have a vision and path which will lead to get success. Let's get to know about software engineering. Every engineering has some specific principles to develop new things. This software engineering is a branch of information technology, and these engineering principles will help to design and develop and maintenance of software. That software could be anything, maybe like system software or application software or other kind of software. Let's see software engineer who develop complete software. They called software engineer. A person who applies the principle of software engineering to design, develop, maintain, test, and evaluate computer software and application software. What procedures normally will follow engineers to develop new things? See some live example of construction building. If we want to construct new building, first step we have to make a design which will have number of floors and rooms and other features. After that, we will hand over the design to engineer to start a construct building. After construction got over, as a owner, we will go and verify the building which is according to design or not. If not, we will insist engineers to modify as per the plan. If everything went as per the plan and design, we will accept that and we will make it for use. The same kind of way, software engineers will follow the software development life cycle to develop complete softwares. Upcoming minutes, we will see how this life cycle are working and how engineers are develop new softwares. Next one, types of software engineering. Let's see what is that. First one, system software, and next one, application software. The system software will manage the entire hardware's operation, and without the system software, we cannot run our machines. The system software will include operating systems. People normally used to say OS, like Mac operating system, Linux operating system, Windows operating system, and Chrome operating system, and other operating system. We are using this operating system to run our machine like personal computer and laptop and Mac systems. Next type, application software. This software mostly will design for specific tasks like handling spreadsheet, creating a document, or designing a web page and mobile application. See some live example where this application we are using. Nowadays everyone have a mobile phones, in that we have a different kind of application like social media app, that Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, chat application like WhatsApp, e-commerce app like Flipkart, Amazon, and job finding application like LinkedIn, Naukri, and other application also. The main specific thing is without application software we can run our machine. Next comes what really software engineers will do and how they will develop softwares and what are the procedures they have to follow to develop new softwares. First step, as a software engineer, they have to analyze based on the user needs or client needs, how they were expecting and what are the flow and use of applications. After analyzing, they need to design or make flowchart to start project to proceed. And after designing, the third step, development or implementation. This is the main process of software development. Here developer will write code to develop software. Here development will separate three ways like front end development, back end development and database development. And front end development related to UI and back end related to API part and database like storing and retrieving data. After completing this development part, the testing part will get started. The testing person will test the entire application that is working properly or not, and he will check design and flow of application as per the plan. After completing the testing, the next step, evaluation. The tested software will give it to user or clients to evaluate the software that is being as per the plan or not. and if not, it will take to modification based on the client expectation or user expectation. After completing the modified part, the software will release to people use or customer use. And next step, after completing the evaluation and releasing the software, that continuously we have to maintain the software like bug free and adding new features. This is how software is developing and released to public or own use. Let's get to know about benefits of software engineer. I would like to say simple live example. During this pandemic COVID time, most of the people lost their job. But software engineers mostly hold their job because they can work from anywhere. So they had a good opportunities during the pandemic time. Let's see what are the benefits. You can work anywhere, like you can go to office, you can work from home, or you can work from anywhere. And the software field, your skill is more transferable to everyone compared to other department. You can utilize your knowledge to anywhere. Here constant learning will be there to develop software with new technology with amazing features. You can learn other technology also very short time, and people will get comfort working environment in software field. The rate of pay is very good, and they can earn more money based on their knowledge. And also they can be creative person as they want. For example, you are an Android developer. If you want to change your position as iOS developer, you can easily do it. And also you can be more productive and creative in this field. Let's get to know why people think software engineering is wrong. Let's see what are all that. First one, tough. Most of the people think that coding language is so tough to learn, but that's not 100% is true. If you're really eager to learn, you can learn so quick. Second one, work pressure. Usually, everybody says software job is more pressurizing the people. It may be true, but not all the time. If you're really familiar with your work, you can handle the workload in easy way. And third one, job security. People mindset is like IT jobs and software related job does not have a job security. In reality, everybody knows that no job have job security 100% until you do your work properly. But in the software field, you can earn good money in short time period, how much you want, and you can start a business or job whatever you want. Fourth one, health. By sitting long time in chair might create a back pain. For that we should walk 5 minutes every 1 hour or 2 hour once. And also by sitting straight position will avoid back pains. And by using UV light protection specs will avoid eye related problem. And as we all know, every field and every job will create some kind of health problem, but there are so many ways to overcome that if we follow the proper precaution methods. And from all this content, you decide software engineering is a right to choose or wrong. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like button, and for more video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.